Hey guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of a video in Windows 11. And this does not require any extra features or downloads. This is all built into Windows 11. So I'll show you how to do it. So here we have some video here. Some video I took on summer solstice last year or 2 years ago. And so what we want to do here to make this work, right click on in the video, open with photos, scrub through till you find this is it right there. That's gonna be my photo I want taken here. So how do you get an image of this now? See these three little dots here? Click on that and save frame. Save your desktop, save. There it is right here. There's your screenshot. It's a pretty cool way of capturing images on your computer for video if you don't have a video editor installed. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.